Hey guys, welcome back to my chat session. So it's Saturday night, and what I think I'm going to do is make me some nachos, but I'm going to use vegan beef crumbles. I think that's what it's called. It's veggie meal starter, so I'm going to try that. This is going to be my first time making it, so I'm hoping it turns out good. I got some taco seasoning, so I'm going to mix it with that, and I got some nachos and cheese and corn, so it's just something I feel like I'll just whip up, and if I have leftovers, which I'm sure I am going to have leftovers, put them in the fridge and just have them for dinner tomorrow. That way I don't have to cook on Sunday. What you think? That sounds good to you? It sure sounds good to me. So what I'm going to do is film me cooking the vegan nachos, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay guys, welcome back. So now all the food is cooked. I'm going to make up, open my nachos up. Put a couple of nachos on the plate. You know, spread it out a little bit. Make like a little nacho bed, okay? Like a dab of, drizzle my little stuff on. Just take me some of these vegetarian refried beans and put them over the nachos. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, now that I got me some beans over the nachos, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put me some of this vegan beef, vegan griller. All I did was add some garlic powder and some taco seasoning to it. So I put a little bit of that on there, not a lot, just a little bit. Okay. I didn't put any seasoning on the corn. Put me a little bit of corn over top of my nachos. Put some shredded lettuce over top of my nachos. I'm gonna rinse my lettuce off that I'm gonna put on here. Even though it's in the bag and it's pre-washed, I always wash like my spinach, kale, lettuce, anything green in the bag. Even though it's pre-washed, I still wash it because I don't know if it's some little nets, bugs, or anything in there. I just want to make sure it's clean. I should have, you know what? You know what I should have did? Duh. I should have rinsed my lettuce when I first took it out of the refrigerator, so that way the water, it'd be dry by now. You know what? It's okay, because I'd rather have watery lettuce than some dirty lettuce, okay? So rinse my lettuce off. Now I'm going to sprinkle that on my nachos. It's not going to take me long to clean my kitchen up either, because what I'm going to do is, like the stuff I got after I finish recording my plate, I'm going to just go ahead and put this stuff in containers, put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow, and then that way just go ahead and wash the pots out. That way they'll take me like, what, 3 minutes, if that. Not even take me that long. So next thing I'm gonna do is put some tomatoes on my nachos. And last, certainly about like I'm getting tongue twisted. last but certainly not least, I'm gonna, I think that's how you say it. Is it least or least? Least. Last but certainly not least. Last, certainly not least. Okay. I'm going to put me some queso on my nachos. I'm gonna just shake that up a little bit. And usually queso, whoo, child. Hold on. We do like they did on the Cosby Show that time. Claire did this, and I think it was Claire, but somebody that did it and opened the jar. Sure. Whew. This jar is, see, this making me tired right here trying to open this jar. All right, let me get a towel. Maybe that'll help. Cause my hand hurt. Let's see. Y'all, I might not have no queso because it ain't doing right and it don't want to open. And look how red my hand is from trying to open this. This ain't good. Look at it. I might have to just put some shredded cheese on here and call it a day. Because I am struggling opening this little can of queso. Like, what is really going on? Alright, let me get myself together. Gotta stretch for this one. Whew. Crack my knuckles and see if I can open this queso. Come on, queso. Work with me now. Work with me. Child, it is not budging. I can't open this, so squash the queso. And my hand is like red, y'all. Look at it. And my hand hurt. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just put some Mexican cheese on it. Lord, okay. I'm gonna give it a stir. Looks funny. We had no cheese tonight. Go ahead and put my little cheese on here. You know. Well, I guess. You know what's going on. Guys, and there's my vegan nachos. They look a little dry. But I'm gonna make it work anyway. You know what I'm saying? I hate that I can't open the jar of queso. But my little hand is sore. And yeah, it'll be okay. Maybe just ain't meant for me to have the queso. Maybe I think tomorrow when all the little ingredients for my little nachos have marinated in the queso, maybe I can open the jar tomorrow. That might be what it is, but my little hand hurt from trying to open that jar. I guess it was not in the mood today to be open. They got that on there super tight, so evidently that, look, let me tell you something. It must taste mighty good, but it's okay. But here go my little nachos that I just made for my Saturday night dinner. Something quick, something easy. So what I'm gonna do right now is just put this stuff up in containers, wash my little pots out, and then enjoy my little food. Okay guys, so I've put my leftover nacho ingredients in container, my refried beans in a container, and I put the corn and the vegan crumbles in a container. And what I think I'm gonna do, y'all, I think I'm gonna leave this queso on the counter because I don't think I even want to put it in my pantry because I do not want to intimidate my other foods that I have in my pantry to think that they don't have to open on me and I spent my money. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, leave comments. Hope you all have a blessed day. Be safe. Take care.